Kimberly Thomason here with VacMD, and we are doing a not unboxing of the Marley's Monsters UnPaper Towels. I was going to do an unboxing of Marley's Monsters, but as you can see, I already unboxed it. And the reason for that is the unboxing wasn't very exciting. I had purchased these Marley's Monsters UnPaper Towels as an experiment to see if it's something maybe we want to start carrying and if it's something I would actually use. I was having the most difficult time with these. I unboxed them. It really wasn't exciting. You took them out of the box, woohoo! However, I couldn't get them to work and I was so frustrated, and I was about to do a bad video, but then I was like, no, let me contact Marley's Monsters and see what they have to say. And sure enough, they have a video about how to use them. After you take out your UnPaper towels, these are fabulous because they're supposed to be eco-friendly and help you reduce your footprint, your garbage and trash. And we use a lot of paper towels, and so I just kept thinking about how many paper towels we use and thought maybe I should try these out. I like that they come on this nice tube so you can put it in your paper towel holder. But like I was saying, I was having issues because I took them straight out of the box and I thought that they would work right away for me, and they didn't. And the reason for that is after you take out your Marley's Monsters UnPaper towels, you need to wash them and then roll them up yourself. Otherwise, they won't act like a paper towel and they will all fall off the roll. So that's the problem I had. But Marley's Monsters was very responsive, very quickly, and they helped me. How cute are these, first of all? They have so many different patterns. These are the holiday patterns. I'm kind of excited about purchasing some for regular, everyday use. They get more absorbent as you wash them, so I have washed them once. They did not come with a bag. Some of their products will come with a bag, or you can purchase a bag, like a laundry bag for them. So instead of throwing them away, you throw them in your laundry bag and then you launder them. These did not. And being that we use several paper towels a day, I find that I'm not using these as often. I find that I use one for more things than I would a paper towel. Normally with a paper towel, I toss it, but because I have to wash these and there's only 12, not only, but there's 12 on a roll, I have to be conscious because I can't be washing a whole load of UnPaper towels every day. Highly recommend these. The company's a great company. They have other products, bathroom products. They also have kitchen products like these, hygiene products, all different things. Even though we have a septic, I was hesitant to try the toilet paper. I don't know. I can't go there. Can't do it. Don't think I can. These are a great product. I am posting a link in the description in case you want to know where to purchase them. If you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to us. We're a small business and we appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.